not a pizza, it's not a pie, it's a frying pan pizza pie. In this episode of Single Burner, this is the perfect rainy day camping cook, I think. Welcome to Single Burner, a collaboration with Yui, who are all about ensuring the great Australian road trip, where I show you how easy it is to create simple, delicious meals even the kids will love. I'm Steph de Sousa, and I've spent my life around kitchens. From growing up on farms and cooking with the family to getting outdoors for some epic camp cook-ups. Then being on MasterChef and everything since. I believe food is a way to show and share love. It brings joy and comfort, and it's part of what brings people together. Let's make some pizza pies. Just because you're camping doesn't mean you can't eat a good pizza. Let's start with the sauce. We need crushed tomatoes, crushed garlic, a little bit of sugar, salt and pepper, and of course, a little bit of garlic and onion powder. Splash of water. Pop it on your single burner and let it bubble away while you're making your dough. Now for the dough. Super easy. Half a bag of flour, about 1.5 teaspoons of dried yeast, about 1 teaspoon of sugar, about 1 teaspoon of salt, good glug of olive oil, and about 1.5 cups of water, just enough to mix it into a nice dough. Just need a little bit more. We're gonna get wet again. The life of a camper. That is looking perfect. Just gonna give it a little knead to make it come into a ball. That's your dough done. We just need to sit it aside and let it rest for about an hour. Then we'll come back and finish our pizza pies. My dough's rested, I've portioned it up, and my sauce is beautiful and rich and red, and it's cooling down. Now we need to make our pizza pies. Each one makes 4 separate pizzas. Need a little bit of semolina flour on our bench. This will just help make our pizza pie nice and crunchy. Give it a roll. You want it nice and thin because you're going to fold it over into a pie. You don't want to just eat a great big thick piece of dough. You want to taste that cheesy goodness. Okay, it's ready to go. Now, we need to get our pan ready. Let it warm up a little bit. Just need to grab my cheese. Eek. Ah, it's getting wet. Now, we need a lovely little bit of our tomato sauce on our pizza pie. Of course, some cheese. Just on half, because we're going to fold it over. You can't have too much cheese, I don't think, personally. And a little bit of fresh basil makes the perfect margarita pizza. Fold it over, seal in the edges, trap all that delicious cheese, a little bit of olive oil in our pan, and in we go. Now we just have to wait till that's beautiful and golden brown on the bottom before we flip it. It's time to flip. Look how gorgeous and golden that is. Pizza is like one of those things in our family that every holiday it has to be done. Every single house we've ever owned, we've always built our own pizza oven. Obviously, we can't bring it with us, but this is pretty close. The dough's the same, the mix is the same, the tomato sauce is the same. It's just a little bit of a variation. Pizza pie is ready. Take it out. Let's have a look inside. Look at that. Beautiful, melty, cheesy pizza. All done. Cheesy, crispy frying pan pizza pie. 2 classics in one and all on a single burner stove. Drop your favourite camping recipe in the comments below, and if you like easy, delicious campsite meal ideas, make sure you like and subscribe for more.